back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a super easy side part closure install, and this hair is from Beauty Forever. All the links and specs will be down in the description box. So first thing first, if you've been watching me, you already know I'm going in with my concealer. That is my perfect shade. I'm using that to tint my lace, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer, of course, to dry that up because we don't want a messy install. And I really have been feeling closures these days. Like, I wear closures 24/7 now because you can do literally anything. I mean, besides a half up down. But once I've already finished tinting my lace, you know, I'm going ahead with my scissors and just cutting off these little white tabs that are on the side of a closure. You know, so far really easy peasy. This install honestly took me like at the most 30 minutes just because I had to straighten it, but it was super easy and super fast. Next, I'm going in with my Ebin lace spray, and I love this stuff, you guys already know. I have been getting some questions about the Ebin lace spray. This is not a glue, guys. It is still like a hairspray, but I feel like it's made specifically for lace, so it's not waterproof, but I do feel like I get a longer wear. Like, at the most I can probably get 2 to 3 days out of it, but I would definitely not recommend going swimming with this. But it is fast drying, and I feel like you also get less white residue than you would with like a got2b or something. But now I'm going in with my blow dryer on a cool setting to just help push in that lace and dry all of that up. Once I've done that, I'm using this eyebrow razor because I like to use razors instead of using scissors to cut off the lace, because this gets you more of a jagged line, which kind of looks a lot more natural than having a very straight across line on your head.
Such a rush, my baby, slow down, come find your love. I'm hoping you'll see me, come serve it up. Love it when you step it up. Nobody belongs on TV. All this feeling I can't hide.
And now that I'm done doing that, I'm just pulling out the little baby hairs that I'm going to style later to kind of help me also just keep pushing the lace down some more. Once I pull out the baby hairs, I'm going to let the lace lay a little bit before I go ahead and start swooping it, because look, swooping baby hairs when your lace is not finished laying, it's just so annoying because you get so much lifting and it just does not work. But while my lace is melting, I'm going to go ahead and start pressing down the part into where I want it. The key into getting this closure side part right is making sure that you go ahead and press that hair. If you don't have a hot comb, don't even try it. Don't even attempt this look if you don't have a hot comb. In reality, I spent about like 15 minutes just taking my time to press down the hair, because this part is super crucial for making the side part look like it is a frontal. So don't skip this part, please. Once my lace was done drying and the hair is pressed good enough for now, I'm definitely going to be going back some more to press it. But now I can start doing my baby hair. So I'm going with my little mini cuticle scissors and just cutting the baby hairs down. I'm using my Eco Styler gel to lay them down. You already know how this goes. I'm terrible describing this, but you know, visually, I hope it makes sense.
Such a rush, my baby, slow down, come find your love. I'm hoping you'll see me, come serve it up. Love it when you step it up. Nobody belongs on TV. All this feeling I can't hide. You're filling up my mind, and I just don't know why. Shiba, girl, you make me smile. Shiba, don't make me pull the trigger. Never say never. No, I can't do whatever. Shiba, I wanna be a soul. Yes, I'm begging, begging, begging.
baby hairs are done being swooped and laid, and now I'm going to go back again with the elastic band to let the baby hairs dry and let the hairline just really mold to the way I want it to be. And back to pressing out this hair. I don't think I mentioned earlier, I'm also using a wax stick as well to help really just smooth down any flyaways, and I feel like it just makes the pressing process a lot easier. Now I'm going in with some BioSilk hair serum to kind of just help give the hair some shine and body and just help with frizz as I go in and start straightening it. The rest of the clips is really just me straightening it because that is really how simple this install was. Like, lay, swoop, done. And since you're dealing with less lace, it's less of a hassle, and I feel like closure, since it's just like, you know, the front part of your head, it's just a lot easier to lay it down. Closures are not only beginner friendly, they are perfect for every day. This closure was a 5x5, so I could get more of a deeper side part. If you want a little more deeper of a side part, then go ahead and get you a 6x6. But you know, yeah, that's really it for this video. I'm kind of done with this voiceover basically, but don't worry, once I'm done flat ironing, I'll give y'all a proper goodbye and outro.
If I can't have you, nobody can. Tell me how can I get my mind off you? Oh, Shiva, can I take my hands off you? Tell me how can I get my eyes off you? Oh, yeah, yeah. Shiva, Shiva, girl, you make me a sinner. Shiva, Shiva, don't make me pull the trigger. Never say never, no I can do whatever. Shiva, Shiva, I wanna be a loser. You're such a rush, my baby, slow down, come find your love. I'm hoping you'll see me, come serve it up. Love it when you step it up. Nobody belongs on TV. All this feeling I can't hide. You're filling up my mind. And I just don't know, I just don't know why. Shiba, Shiba, girl, you make me smile. Shiba, Shiba.
Okay, and I am back. So once I was done straightening it, I went ahead and just put some concealer in the part to make it look all nice and done and just, you know, let the part pop. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Per end results, look at it. You see her, you see the frontal, I mean, my bad, see, even I'm confused. You see the closure. And I also wanted to show you guys how long and smooth this hair was. This was, I believe, 28 inches, so she was super long. I'm 5'3", by the way, if you want like a little height and length reference. But thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, I hope you got something out of it. But you do have any questions, you know where to find me, down in the comment section or on my Instagram. Also, I do sell my wigs, as if you guys didn't know that. I sell my wigs on my hair page, which is also linked down below. But this wig is already sold, so don't ask about this wig. But I have other ones I'm selling, and usually I sell the wigs before I actually even post my YouTube videos, for those of you who are wondering. So you have to follow me on that page to get the most exclusive on the wigs, because by the time I post the video, the wig's already sold. Okay, let me stop rambling. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on another one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.